Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to talk about line chart in Matplotlib in this tutorial too. Okay, let's clear outputs in here to show it again and again. Let's start from here, okay? So let's first run this code line in here and show you and explain in here. Firstly, we import matplotlib.pyplotlib. Pyplot is Matplotlib sub library, and we call it as plt, and we import numpy as np. If you don't know numpy, just don't worry about it. We just use it to create data in here. So just focus on about Matplotlib. So after importing these models libraries in here, we created x data and y data. It's numpy array like 1, 2, 3, 4, and y is x square of this each data. It will be 1, 4, 9, 16. After that, we call plt.plot function in here. In parentheses, we define the name of our axis. We plot chart. After plot the chart by calling the show function in here, we display our graph like that. As you see in x 1 1, when x2 our y is 4, like that. And after that we combine these dots with line. So another one we are going to talk about is how we can, let's run it and explain, how we can add the names on this axis, title, y-axis, x-axis, and so on. For that reason, we call x label as a function, and we define function name inside of this parenthesis like that, and y label name like that, and also title as shown in here. It can be anything. You can write inside of this parenthesis anything. I just clearly show it that I want to mention that it's x-axis, y-axis, so that reason I wrote it here. But you can write anything in here to show like that. So title will be shown on the top like that, and y-axis in here, and x-axis in here. So how we can show multiple plots on the same axis? So in here, first we create first data and plot it. Then we create second graph data like it, like that, x1 and y1. And we use plot function again in here. That time, by default, when we create plot in here, with that function, by default, it will create a line. I mean a solid line. There is no space between them. But we can customize it. Later on, I will explain more about this styling. It's kind of styling you can use dash and dot for another one, and we can add a label and title name. So after calling plt show, we'll demonstrate our chart. So let's look how it looks. Okay, guys, in here, as you see, we for our that one we used dash dot style. So that reason by default it is like that, but we can customize and show it like that, as you see. So another one in today's tutorial, the last one, is how we can fill any color inside of these lines and another type of lines. Maybe we in the future when we demonstrate something, we have some specific things we want to show in this area, make them colorful and so on. So for that we are going to use fill between, and let's run it and show. As you see, firstly we created xy and plot this, and x1 y1, but in here we only use for first one we use x and y1. I'm sorry, first one we use x and y. For second one we used x and y1 and dash and dot style. We give the label names in here. When we call fill between function, we firstly, because in here we only have x, we used only one x for one of them, but we use different y's for y's, y and y1. In here we can select any color in here. And what is in alpha in here? Alpha is show the how your color is strong. For example, if we change it to 0.9 like that, as you see, this color changed to very strong green color, and we can also decrease it like 1. And as you see, it's so soft green color. Actually, it doesn't look like green, but anyway, we make it very soft. So for today's tutorial, that is enough. Don't worry, subscribe my YouTube channel and check other tutorial in my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.